Welcome to Afro Asia Natural Health Tips. I'm glad you're here because we're about to uncover some critical information about your health. In today's segment, we're diving deep into a health concern that might surprise you. 6 popular supplements that could damage your liver beyond repair. You see, supplements are often perceived as a natural and safe path towards better health. But here's the catch. Recent studies have raised red flags, suggesting that some supplements, especially when consumed without proper guidance, can be more harmful than helpful. And the organ that often bears the brunt of this, your liver. When we overload it with certain substances, even those from supplements we believe are beneficial, it can lead to serious damage. Let's talk about turmeric. We've all heard about its incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's hailed as a natural wonder, used for centuries in traditional medicine and touted for its ability to improve joint health, reduce inflammation, and even potentially fight certain diseases. But there's a side to turmeric we need to acknowledge, a side that might surprise you. A 2022 study published in the American Journal of Medicine revealed a concerning link between turmeric consumption and drug-induced liver injury. The study highlighted cases where individuals, particularly those taking turmeric alongside other medications or supplements, experienced adverse effects on their liver health. It seems that in certain combinations, turmeric might amplify the effects of other substances, putting undue stress on the liver. Just because something is natural doesn't automatically make it safe for everyone, especially in concentrated supplement form. Before you add turmeric to your daily regimen, especially if you're already taking medications, it's crucial to have an open and honest conversation with your doctor. Personalized advice is key when it comes to your health. Green tea. It's often seen as a health elixir, praised for its antioxidant prowess and ability to boost energy levels and support weight loss. However, there's a growing concern about one of its popular forms, green tea extract. While green tea itself, consumed in moderation as a beverage, is generally considered safe, the concentrated form found in extracts can pose risks, especially to the liver. These extracts contain high levels of catechins, the active compounds in green tea. Catechins are potent antioxidants, but in excessive amounts they can become overwhelming for the liver to process. There have been cases reported in medical literature linking green tea extract consumption to severe liver damage, some even leading to liver failure. These cases often involve individuals taking high doses of the extract for extended periods, highlighting the importance of moderation and understanding dosage guidelines. The key message here is awareness. If you're considering incorporating green tea extract into your routine, please consult with your doctor. They can help determine a safe dosage for you, considering your individual health factors and any medications you might be taking. In a world obsessed with quick fixes, it's no surprise that weight loss supplements often take center stage. And one name that frequently pops up in this realm is Garcinia cambogia. Touted for its supposed ability to curb appetite and block fat production, Garcinia cambogia has become a go-to for those seeking a shortcut to their weight loss goals. But there's a dark side to this seemingly innocent fruit extract, a side that could have serious implications for your liver. Garcinia cambogia has been linked to liver toxicity, with some cases leading to severe complications, including liver failure. This risk is particularly heightened when the supplement is taken in high doses or for extended periods, as the liver struggles to process the concentrated compounds. The active ingredient in Garcinia cambogia, hydroxycitric acid, HCA, is often touted as the key to its weight loss properties. However, HCA is also the primary culprit behind its potential liver toxicity. If you're considering Garcinia cambogia or any weight loss supplement, please prioritize your well-being and have a conversation with your healthcare provider. They can guide you towards safe and sustainable weight management strategies that won't compromise your liver health. Chapter 4. Black cohosh, a menopause remedy with hidden risks. Menopause. It's a natural transition in a woman's life, but it often comes with a wave of uncomfortable symptoms, from hot flashes and night sweats to mood swings and sleep disturbances. And in the quest for relief, many women turn to natural remedies, with black cohosh being a popular choice. Black cohosh, a flowering plant native to North America, has long been used in traditional medicine to alleviate menopausal symptoms. However, black cohosh has been linked to cases of liver damage, raising concerns about its safety, especially when used without proper medical guidance. While the exact cause of this link isn't fully understood, the evidence suggests that black cohosh can, in some individuals, trigger an immune response that targets the liver, leading to inflammation and damage. If you're considering using black cohosh for menopause relief, please don't self-medicate. Schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider. They can assess your individual risk factors, advise you on the appropriate dosage, and monitor your liver health while you're taking it. Chapter 5. Red yeast, rice, heart health, or harmful hazard? In our quest for optimal health, we often turn to natural remedies, seeking alternatives to conventional medications. And when it comes to heart health, red yeast rice has emerged as a popular choice, touted for its cholesterol-lowering properties. But as with many supplements, there's more to the story, a side that raises concerns about its potential impact on liver health. Red yeast rice is a fermented product of rice that has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. It contains a naturally occurring substance called monocolin K, which is also the active ingredient in some prescription cholesterol-lowering drugs. Monocolin K, while effective in lowering cholesterol, can also pose risks to the liver, especially when taken in high doses or for prolonged periods. The unregulated nature of supplements adds another layer of complexity. If you're considering red yeast rice to manage your cholesterol levels, it's crucial to have an open and honest conversation with your doctor. They can assess your individual risk factors, order blood tests to check your liver function, and monitor you closely for any signs of liver problems. Chapter 6. Ashwagandha, stress relief with a risk. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an unwelcome companion for many. And in our search for ways to manage its relentless grip, we often turn to natural remedies, seeking solace in ancient traditions. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb deeply rooted in Ayurvedic medicine, has gained immense popularity for its purported ability to combat stress, improve sleep, and enhance overall well-being. While ashwagandha is generally considered safe for most people when used responsibly, there have been cases reported in medical literature linking its consumption to liver toxicity. The exact mechanism behind this association isn't fully understood, but it serves as a reminder that even natural substances can have potent effects on the body and should be treated with respect. If you're considering incorporating ashwagandha into your routine, particularly if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider. They can help you weigh the potential benefits against the potential risks, determine an appropriate dosage for your individual needs, and monitor your liver health while you're taking it. Your health is a priority, and informed decisions are always the best decisions. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring the potential risks of 6 popular supplements on liver health. And while this information might seem overwhelming, remember, knowledge is empowering. A recent study by the University of Michigan analyzed data from nearly 10,000 adults and found that these supplements are used by many, especially older women, to manage conditions like arthritis, low energy, and menopausal symptoms. However, the study warns that these popular supplements could lead to irreversible liver damage and, in some cases, even organ failure. It's crucial to remember that dietary supplements are not regulated by the FDA in the same way as prescription drugs. This means there can be significant discrepancies between what's listed on the label and what's actually in the product. Before starting any new supplement regimen, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. While supplements can offer benefits, it's essential to approach them with caution. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay safe, and remember, your health is your wealth.